Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I can't tell if I'm in the camera view or not. It's that weird light. It's overcast, but everything's white. And it's that weird light where it's so bright that I can't see anything. So I can't see my display if I'm on the camera or if I'm headless. Anyway, today I'm going to be working on extending this trailer, the sides, finally. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. Well, that wood got heavy and wet. Really heavy it got wet. Yeah, so I've been wanting to do this, get these sidewalls up, and the idea is not so much to double my capacity. I don't want to carry any more than I have been with this trailer. The idea is to do it, to carry the same amount of wood quicker. So instead of, I can carry a face cord on this, but I have to stand the pieces upright neatly, one by one by one, until the trailer's full, and that takes a lot of time. I want to be able to just toss it in there as fast as I can move my arms and get the same amount of wood in a fraction of the time. So that's what I'm going to do. I got to get some measurements here and get over to the wood shop and cut some pieces of wood. So I got some 20-inch 2x4s cut. Problem working in winter, everything's frozen. Hope I can get this flush. This is a problem. I want to put this in the inside corner, but it's frozen. I got to do some excavating inside the trailer here to get to my workspace. I need to find a claw hammer and dig that out. Alright, that's prepped. I don't know if I can do this with gloves on. There's one. I might have to take my gloves off. This is not working with gloves. Let me get this other one started and I'll be back. Actually, I had to get that one in so I know how big this is because it sort of ends short, which is fine. I think I'm going to put this in the corner anyway. It'll look better. And make sure my tailgate will fit. Yeah, I think that's fine. Either my board is warped or my decking is warped. Something's warped. There's a gap here, but working with old stuff, what are you going to do? It's all old. Oh, I see. Now I'm also going to put bracing on the outside, at least two. I'm not going to throw my wood hard and brutally against this, so I think two, one here and one here is going to be plenty to hold that together. I don't want to add too much weight to my trailer and have all the the weight limitations of my trailer used up by wood before I even get started going down the road. But it's a good start. There's one sidewall, double the capacity. The observant of you may notice something different about me right now. I went to change my pants because my other ones are falling off me. Since I cut out sugar, I've been losing weight. It's funny now, pants that fit me long ago are fitting again. The pants that are newer are not fitting anymore. Cutting sugar has health benefits, but it sure can cost you money because you got to buy new pants. I hope to get around to fixing this trailer up this summer. Give it some good paint jobs or oil or whatever. Clean up that wood and keep this going longer. I really don't want to have to redo anything. I'd rather keep it going as long as I can with the wood that's on it by taking care of it properly. This is the wood I took off that trailer behind the camera, that other trailer. The old flatbed. I put the stake sides on it, but I made it too heavy. Some of you probably saw that, and I'm pretty sure I saw something in the comments about that. Yep, you're right. It was too heavy. I'm redoing that one too. But trial and error, live and learn. I knew it was heavy, but I didn't plan on needing to remove the sides anytime soon. So I thought I'll deal with it when the time comes, but the time came sooner than I expected. Because now it's going to be a multi-purpose trailer. This is also stacking differently, oddly. I don't know why. Oh well, it is what it is. Optically, it won't matter. Nobody's going to look at it that close, are they? It's never fun trying to do this. Starting to screw. Let me try here. Some good old wood in this trailer. I think that's marine grade plywood. Well, there's two sides almost done. Now I'm just going to put some more reinforcing in behind on the outside on two places on each of them, and then I've got to do the front. I have a series of winding pathways and trails through the snow and the mud to get to where I'm going. Oh, water. It's a beautiful, warm, melting day. and I have to follow the pathways. That takes time. Everything takes a little bit of time in the winter. So, I've got some boards I'm going to put on. I got one on here. I'll put the other one here. Oh, we should be good. Eye it up for perfection. That is some hard plywood. Pretty sure that's marine. There, now we got strength in two directions. I think that's going to be just fine. That's going to be perfect. Well, I got to get the other two on that side. I'm running low on scrap wood, so I've got to look around and see what I can find. I might not be able to finish this because everything's under snow. That is a problem. Everything's frozen. And if I can't find any more wood, that'll be the end of today. One side done and the other side halfway done, and I still got to get in the front and the back. So let's see what I can find around here. So I got this piece cut, and I got some pieces for bracing. So I might just make this happen today. I'm not sure about the back side though yet. I'm running low on supplies. Putting the screws in at a sharp angle here. Have some meat to hold on to, and then you won't see it, so I'm going to do it behind the scenes. I'm going to put these two on the outside, and that'll be done. I want this to be lighter, and I was out of 2x4s. What are you going to do? Check out my professional markings, using a crooked edge to make a straight cut. Get the other one here cut. I'll have a support here. That's a problem. I'm going to have to cut that off. And that end's a problem. This end narrows. Is that a deal breaker? I think not. I think that'll be acceptable. Hate wasting wood. I gotta swap batteries and we'll be back. Put that on and my trailer will be ready to go. This piece happens to line up pretty good with what I want. So I'm going to use it as such. Now, the tricky part is to not get it too low that this is going to be a problem in the future. Yeah, a little bit tricky. I'm going to try to raise this up a little when I put this on. Just a hair, leave room for expansion of that board below, because it will expand with time. Nothing's perfect with used wood, old wood. Warped. Everything's warped. Is that going to straighten up? I'm going to come back to that one. Everything's warped really bad. This side's not going to look any better. Not at all. I'm putting 3 screws each on here because it's going to have a lot of action, motion. Ow! I went through. Alright, I'm going to straighten that one back out. Well, there's a trailer. Now the question is, can I still get that off? How heavy is it going to be? How awkward is it going to be? Not a problem. Alright. I wonder though if I want to put some latches on the sides, because this wobbles a little now. A little bit top heavy. I might end up putting some latches on the top, just for extra strength and to be sure. Hey guys, by the way, check out Michigan Prospectors, my other channel. I found gold in Lake Huron, and not just a little tiny bit. When you do the numbers, it turns out to be a surprising amount. Nothing to get rich on in a hurry, but for Michigan, it's pretty good. Check it out. I'll put the link down below. Well, there it is, guys. My beautiful, perfectly measured trailer extension. I hope you note the sarcasm, but it didn't have to be so pretty, did it? It's going to work out well for me, and this is going to save me so much time out in the field, because now I don't have to stack neatly. I can put the same amount of wood that I was able to before, but just so much faster. The next trip out is going to be what'll tell me though for sure. Well, that's it for today, guys. There's supposed to be rain or snow coming here soon, so I'm happy to have been able to finish this when I did. I've got to put tools away and clean up and turn this trailer around so I can use it next. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, because you really never know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Talk to you all later.